Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Sims Club app. So all you have to do in the first, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Just scrolling down here until you will find your apps, click on it. You come to apps list and here you're looking for Sims Club app or just click on search. Then here add Sims here. Sims Club app is going to show for you like this. Click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on force stop. Click on OK. You're scrolling down here. Click here on storage here. You click on clear cache. So then you just restart your phone and start it again. Then it's going to work with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.